Hey everybody, this is Vinny with Excel Distance Calculators. Happy Wednesday. The home of some of the most versatile automation tools for Excel. We've kind of been doing this for a long time. Today I want to go over one of our most popular tools, the IFTA Mileage by State Calculator. This is a tool that has helped truckers, whether you have one truck or a trucking company with multiple units, multiple trucks, to keep track of their miles for IFTA purpose. So let's kind of recap what the tool does. The tool will allow you to break down individual trips or all of your quarterly trips in miles driven by state. So it will break down how many miles have you driven in each state. And this information obviously is very helpful for you to fill out your IFTA reporting at the end of the quarter. Again, as all of my tools, this is built in Excel. As such, don't worry, there is nothing to install. And my goal again is, I pride myself in making the easiest tool of its kind. It uses a combination of Google Maps API and my proprietary software to generate those miles by state that will help you report the IFTA miles. Again, this is all done in Excel. Without further ado, let me show you how it works. First, you'll need to enter your trips for the quarter. Again, as the tool uses Google Maps API, you can use a combination of cities, zip codes, and obviously full addresses. You're not just limited to zip codes as some other tools. The more detailed information, obviously, the more accurate the results that you'll get. Once you've done that, just click on the conveniently located button and let the tool do its magic. As you can see, I can click on each individual result and it will give me the summary for that trip. By clicking the summary button, it will give me the driving miles by state for all of the trip listed in the spreadsheet, obviously for the quarter. And really, it should be as easy as that. Again, my name is Vinny. I appreciate you taking the time to view my video today. I've been building logistics software for the last 16 years. If there is anything that I can help you with, just don't hesitate to reach out. The download link and also my contact information, yes, even my phone number will be in the description there. If I can help, just let me know. Till next time.